Good evening, Master Speakers and guests. I welcome you all to the 69th meeting of Me For You Master Speakers Club. I am Master Speaker Sanvi, today playing the role of Sergeant for today's meeting. Let me tell you some ground rules of the meeting. Rule number 1. Kindly keep yourself mute when you are not speaking. Rule number 2. Keep your camera on, that shows your attentiveness in the meeting. Rule number 3. Avoid speaking anything which is offensive, such as politics and religion. President of Me For You Master Speakers Club is very cute, very smart, and she wants to be a YouTuber and likes to dance. So help me in welcoming today's President, Master Speaker Neeti. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Master Speaker Sanvi. A very good evening to everyone. I welcome you all to the 69th meeting of ME4U Master Speakers Club. Before I go ahead, I thank all the guests for encouraging us and attending this meeting. Before I go ahead, I would like to ask the Secretary of the meeting, Master Speaker Sanvi, to read out the minutes of the meeting.
Thank you, President Master Speaker Neeti. For last meeting, Sergeant was Master Speaker Sairaj, MOC was Master Speaker Raghavendra, Topic Master was Master Speaker Akshita, Speaking Master was Master Speaker Sairaj, Feedback Master was Master Speaker Anil, and Meeting Evaluator was Master Speaker Palak. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Secretary. Coming back to the meeting, we have a theme for this meeting. This is a very special theme, which is the art of happiness. So this theme was written. This theme comes from a book named Art of Happiness, which was written by a very famous Dalai Lama. Everyone might have heard of him, right? Dalai Lama. So what Dalai Lama says is the purpose of happiness is the life is happiness. Life is the purpose of happiness. The purpose of life and happiness is life. So it's quite confusing, but if you write it in words, then you'll get it. Next is the sources of happiness. There are two sources of happiness which you need to keep in your mind. First is create happiness, which is nothing but friendship, kindness, compassion. And you need to eliminate anger, hatred, and envy. You need to also train your mind with emotions and behavior. So there are two parts here, okay? Negative and positive. What does negative do? Negative always harms us, right? And what does positive do? Of course, opposite of it. It benefits us. So Dalai Lama always says in this book, right? So you need to try to find happiness in every source of your life. It can be anything. It can whatever makes you happy, do it. If listening to music makes you happy, do it. Listen to some music which you like. Playing badminton or playing some sports makes you happy and feel refreshed, do it. Just play some sports. If doing meditation makes you happy, do it. Do it, just do it. You need to always find your happiness in everywhere. Coming back to the meeting, today's meeting or every meeting, we have an MOC, Master of Ceremony, to run this whole meeting. Master of Ceremony is for today's meeting is none other than a person who has newly joined, and she is very enthusiastic. I personally love her voice. Help me in welcoming today's MOC, Master of Ceremony, Master Speaker Akshata. Over to you.
Hello, Master Speakers and guests. My name is Master Speaker Akshata. Today, I am playing the role of MOC. Hello, everybody. Good evening. Today's meeting is divided into three segments. First one is speaking master and table topics and feedback session. The feedback will be handled by a person who is called meeting evaluator. Today's meeting evaluator is a person who is always encouraged village students to learn English, and he looks like a college boys now. And please help me in welcoming our today's meeting evaluator, Master Speaker Mutraj sir.
Thank you very much, Master Speaker Akshata, Master of Ceremony. You made me go back 10 years. My name is Mutturaj. Today, I am the meeting evaluator. Evaluation is everywhere. You are given feedback every point of your life. You do something, someone will come and give you feedback for that. You dress up for the day, first day for your school, somebody will give you a feedback. Maybe, yo, you're looking good. Or maybe someone comes and says that this is not the dress code for our school. Maybe someone comes and says that your ID is not right. So someone or the other on a daily basis will be giving you feedback. So here also in the meeting, I am here to give feedback on how you performed your role. But I cannot do it all alone. I have a team who is going to help me out to make sure the meeting evaluation is done properly. So in my team, I have a person, one who is going to handle the timings of the entire meeting. She is someone who is about 100 kilometers from the place Hubli. She is going to be a doctor in future, and she wants to be perfect in every role that she plays. So without delay, help me in welcoming today's timing master, master speaker Tanvi.
Thank you, meeting evaluator Master Speaker Mutturaj, for a generous introduction. Good evening, Master Speakers and guests. I'm Master Speaker Tanvi, and for today's meeting, I'm playing the role as Time Master. As a Time Master, I will keep the note of the time taken by the Master Speakers. In Speaking Master, there will be 3 to 5 minutes. At 3 minutes, I will show the green card. At 4 minutes, I will show the yellow card. At 5 minutes, I will show the red card. For table topics, there will be 1 to 2 minutes. At 1 minute, I will show the green card. At 1 minute 30 seconds, I will show the yellow card. At 2 minutes, I will show the red card. There will be 30 seconds to wrap up your speech. For Puzzle Master, Jokes Master, and Story Master, there will be 1 to 2 minutes. At 1 minute, I will show the green card. At 1 minute 30 seconds, I will show the yellow card. At 2 minutes, I will show the red card. For Feedback Master, there will be 2 to 3 minutes. At 2 minutes, I will show the green card. At 2 minutes 30 seconds, I will show the yellow card. At 3 minutes, I will show the red card. Over to you, meeting evaluator, Master Speaker Mutturaj.
Thank you very much for this wonderful detailed information about the time. Time is money, or more important than money. Thank you very much. Let's have time in our control. We be in the control of time. Dear friends, we have another one role player in the meeting, and this role is so critical that I ask each and every member of the club or my English class students to improve this area to be the first. And that area is called filler counter. To do this role, we have someone who is the Associate Vice President Education, who has been the most active member of the club in this 6 months. Help me in welcoming today's filler counter, Master Speaker Palak.
Thank you, sir. Good evening to all. My name is Master Speaker Palak and I am playing the role of filler counter for today's meeting. In speech, filler words are short, meaningless words. We used to fill the little pauses that occur while we decide what we are going to say next. They are so, that, like, that litter our conversation. I will also take account of unnecessary repeated words. I will give my report when I am last. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Master Speaker Palak. Now we have a grammarian who is called as Grammar Master for the meeting today. So he is an enthusiastic person of the club, always ready to learn anything and everything that what we are teaching or learning all together in this group. Help me in welcoming today's Grammar Master, Master Speaker Raghavendra Vaid.
Thank you, Master Speaker Mutturaj, sir. Good evening, fellow Master Speakers and guests. I am Master Speaker Raghavendra Vaid. In today's meeting, my role is Grammar Master role. In this role, responsibility is collect the grammar mistake. I collect the grammar mistakes. My level best. My grammar is not so good as you all. I try my level best. Thank you. Over to you, Mudraj sir.
Thank you very much, Master Speaker Raghavendra. Definitely, we are all here to make mistake and learn. And you just give only your opinion as a feedback. We are all here to learn, make mistakes, and relearn. Well, so I have a listening master in the meeting today who is going to be someone who is going to continuously listen to the entire meeting, and he or she is going to present. So we have a listening master who is the president of this prestigious Master Speakers Club. Help me in welcoming today's listening master, Master Speaker Neeti Dholakya.
Thank you so much, Master Speaker Mudraj sir, meeting evaluator. A very good evening, everyone, once again. In today's meeting, I am the listening master. As a listening master, it's my duty to pay attention to from the starting to the end till the whole meeting. I'll pay attention to each and everything, and I'll write down some questions which I'll be asking when the meeting evaluator calls me. So I request you all to open your ears and listen very carefully. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much. Dear friends, this is my team, and we are all going to come and give our report whenever we are asked to give the feedback. Now, I would like to give the podium back to the ever enthusiastic Master of Ceremony, Master Speaker Akshata.
Thank you, meeting evaluator and team. Now, without any delay, let's go to the first segment, which is prepared speech. Prepared speech, where members will delivering their own prepared speech is according to objects. In today's meeting, prepared speaker is doing engineer. He is interested in current affairs. He is active in class. Please help me in welcoming today's speaking master, Master Speaker Anil.
Thank you, Master Speaker Akshata. Good evening, Master Speakers and guests. Today, my prepared speech is about Tata Group. As you all know heard about Tata, can anyone, Master Speaker, unmute tell what product you use from Tata?
Salt.
Yes.
Salt.
And automobiles.
Tata is also.
Company. Yeah. You name anything under the sun, the Tata companies are there in that field. It is in such a big company that it makes more contribution to our GDP. So let me dig little bit about background of Tata Group. The founder of Tata Group is Jamshedji Tata. During British Raj, he wanted to start textile company. At that time, there were no facility of transport and there were no cotton in India. At that time, what he done is he traveled around the globe and he collected all the information about cotton, how the milling machine will work, how the textile industry will work. And he collected all the information and he founded the textile factory in India, and he done textile revolution in India. Believe it or not, he donated $102 billion for the society, which is more than Bill Gates, which is donated by Bill Gates. And he will be a great entrepreneur, industrialist, and philanthropist. The one Tata steels which we are using now, that is a future idea of the Jamshedji Tata. And second prominent character in Tata Group is Sir Jamshedji Tata, so JRD Tata. He is a father of industry and he is father of human resource and whatever you name it, and he done the improvisation in that field. In today's society, we are seeing the women are working in the equal of men. So that is a contribution of JRD Tata ji sir. One time what happens is the vacant is opened in the Tata Group. At that time they made a condition that women are not eligible for the application. At that time, one woman wrote the letter to the JRD Tata sir saying that why women are not allowed to your company. At that time, he made a decision that women also given equal opportunity in our industry. The woman is uh, Infosys Narayan Murthy sir's wife Sudha Murthy. She is also great personality. And second thing JRD Tata sir done is he worked in collaboration with father of Indian nuclear program Bhumi Jahangir Baba sir. He done research on that. On the byproduct of that, we are getting the continuous power electricity from nuclear power from today. The one which we are following now 8 hours working a day, that is done by JRD Tata sir. And he has enormous patriotism and he is always trying to concentrate on three things. First is nation, second one is his company, and third one is individual. He used to give the importance and he used to work on these three factors so our country and company and individual can grow in very good manner. And next, third prominent character in Tata Group is Ratan Tata sir. When he was got insulted, at that time he worked on that and he convert that insult into great result. When Tata Motors was in loss, he went to sell the Tata Motors to the Ford. At that time, the Ford is made a insult to him, like we are doing a favor by taking your company. At that time, Ratan Tata ji sir rejected that offer and came back to India and made some improvement in Tata Motors. And after some years, the Land Rover and Jaguar were in loss. At that time, Ford come to his office and sell the Land Rover and Jaguar. That is the power of Tata's working culture. And one more thing is his simplicity. When he was awarded as a lifetime achievement of the lifetime achievement, at that time the prize distributor was Infosys Narayan Murthy sir. At that time, he touches his feet and he took a blessing of the Tata sir. And those two individuals are great example for the simplicity. One more simplicity is as Tata sir is born in rich family, he may also directly went to the CEO post and he can enjoy the things. But he didn't do that. He worked 3 years as a floor member and he gained the knowledge of all the employees and all the workers. So by this I am concluding this fact. You should have some patriotism, some great courage and leadership quality, and for doing some good to the society, it will take you to the next level. And holistically, I am concluding my speech. I am handing the podium to the MOC. Over to you, MOC.
Wow, your